Okay, in this YouTube video, we're going to navigate how to log into YouTube. Simply in your web browser, go to youtube.com and you'll see a sign in here. So I'll select the sign in and allow for my YouTube to log in. I see my little picture icon in the upper right saying that this is my channel. Um, I also can log in if I go to my Gmail and use my Google Apps. I can get to YouTube from here. And sometimes if your Gmail is running and you click on YouTube from here, it'll also take you directly into your YouTube channel. Now, I'm into YouTube here. To upload a video, I simply select the create icon, this little camera with a plus, and two options, upload video or go live. I'm going to hit upload video, and the next window that opens up gives me the upload settings. Okay, and so I can drag and drop a file into this window, or I can select it if I know where it is. I've already loaded the file on my Finder window. So this is a small uh, cell phone video. It's only 16 seconds. I'm going to drag it in. It shouldn't take very long for it to load. And so I just click into here. Now I have the option of giving it a title. It uses the default file name. I'll just say Bayside Camp. Oh, all right, let's try this again. And Men's Retreat 2018, I believe. And I can put a description in here if I want. I can go through a process of putting information and details. Um, I can select from some random images for a thumbnail, which is a still that appears in your list of videos, or I can create my own if I want. I like the shot of the boots, so I'm going to use that. Um, I've got some options down here. I have to select an audience, and usually we say no, it's not made for kids. And the reason being is that if you say yes, it's for kids specifically, you'll be required to uh, follow more strict guidelines from the YouTube community. And the simplest method is to say no, it's not for kids at this point. You can hit the next button, and this is where you can add additional things like an end screen or cards. These are typically available when you have a certain number of subscribers, so I don't have anything to put in there. And then the final one before you publish is to decide, is this a public video, is it an unlisted video, or a private video? So if you want the world to see it, you can say public. You can actually set it as a premiere, or you can even schedule it to go at a certain time, which is very convenient. The public is anybody can find it, anybody can search it, anybody can watch it. The unlisted version is if you want to share it with certain people but don't want to make it public, only people with the link can watch it. And then if you want to make it private, you can have a video that is password protected. So you can put some restrictions on who and how people can access that video. So for this purpose, I'm just going to say this is public, and I'm going to hit publish. And I can, at this point, I can put it on my Facebook, my Twitter, all of those things. I can copy it, send it in an email. I'm not going to do any of that at this point. I can do all of that later. So as it refreshes, now I'm into my YouTube channel, and I'm actually at my dashboard. And here I've got a whole series of menu choices on the left hand side. Because I just uploaded a video, the videos menu is available. And under videos, there are two tabs, one called uploads and one called live. If I'm doing some live YouTube broadcasting, all of those, if I click on it, all of those would appear in the live section, and anything that I upload is under the uploads tab. So there's my Bayside Camp Men's Retreat 2018 video. It's public and there's no views. Nobody has looked at it yet. If I click on the details, this is where I can basically go in and edit different aspects of my video. I can change the title, I can add or change description, I can upload a thumbnail, or I can change the thumbnail to another image if I want. And I've got the ability to make changes if I don't want it to be public anymore. All of those things can be changed here. If I make a change, I hit save. Make sure you hit save to save your changes, and then I can go back to my channel videos here, and away I go. And that's the basic process of uploading to YouTube